Alright, want to throw this in real quick demolition mission. The one I pulled out of the Suburban, I double checked it real quick before I sent it to you, and if you can see right there, let me get that so it ain't so blurry, dude, it's cracked. Right there, look. I think that's where it broke in the Suburban, and that's why the motor locked up on it. So, I had to go through my box this morning, found you another one, checked the ends on it and everything. This one looks good. So you just got to work your ends out, bro, real quick. I'll PB blast them real quick before I throw it in the box. So you should have your ends, get your adapters on there. You can run what you want for pipe on there. So that'll be a little easier. I think that'll get out real quick. Like I say, I'll throw a PB blaster on it before we ship it today for you. I'll go over and get the new hats. I'm sorry I didn't get to clean this one up for you like we did the last one. This was just an extra one I had laying around. I just saved these things, dude. So alright, so we'll get that boxed up for you and get it shipped out for you today. A little bit of snow. Thank God for Wesley to come over and plow us out. Nice truck. Cold day today. got a lot of snow. Hey, look at that fine looking woman. My baby bunny. Just got up. Need to put a plow in our truck, huh, honey? Maybe we'll jury rig one up for next summer, for next winter, wherever we're at. Damn blocks in the driveway. Hey! That's funny. Yeah, babe, get to work. I'll buy you a beer later.
Yeah, you will, right?
Yeah, I will. I'll buy you a beer. The dog cable. Oh well, it's only $3. So he's catching on them bricks. Blocks they put in. So he's gonna plow them all, make one big pile on the other side of the driveway for her. Looking at, buddy. Is Recky looking outside too? You had to get your, at least one, voice your opinion once. Get away from the window, Rex, now. That's what they call the new backbreaker shovel. Nice job. Thanks, Wes. Thanks for watching, guys.